NBA game, but through VR. And why not? You sit on the court side, don't you?
Yeah.
There's
different views.
I don't mind this idea.
Not a bad idea for VR.
You know, those courtside tickets cost and I'm not saying it's the same as being there, but it's kind of cool.
You get a good headset as well, a good headphones.
Yeah, you get the sound going.
You're in it.
Okay, play the video here.
A MetaQuest virtual reality headset to check out one of the 5 broadcasts.
This is your headset, right, Will?
Yeah. Yeah, they're just using a Quest 2.
So it's live, or are you watching it after the fact?
It's live, yeah.
So it's live. So does that mean that there's somebody sitting courtside with the camera equipment in that spot that you're then occupying via the live stream?
Yeah, well, they would just be like a camera that records 3D. That's all that's needed. Right?
Yeah, I know, but I've been watching some basketball and I didn't notice them on the sidelines in the courtside location. I haven't seen these 3D cameras sitting there.
Oh, maybe they're small.
I guess, relatively.
But yeah, you can literally be like Drake, just courtside and have the same view.
I guess it's actually 180 degrees instead of 360. You can't really turn right around.
Right.
Probably for privacy
sure.
reasons.
But there's different angles too. You can be like behind the net.
Yeah, it's really cool. This is one of the more unique uses. If it's live, that's pretty wild. Like live experiences. You could do concerts, you could do whatever. Although
choose your seat.
It's never going to be like being there though.
Yeah.
Like atmosphere. You're still going to know you're elsewhere, but I don't know. It might be as close as you can get.
And also the resolution plays a really important role.
Got to get that going.
But cool.